The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Hello everyone, Sam is here from myfirstmagicweb.com. Just making this video for updating USDX, US dollar index, which is really important right now as that big meeting is underway and anything can happen. There's a lot of things that need to be discussed and making decisions to be made or whatever. I have no clue what they're doing there. So not gonna comment on that, but I know that there's something. It's a big meeting and it's a big leaders there, and anybody can say anything, and that will make the market jump in any direction without a clue. So to me, it's danger. Very dangerous time. Being very, very careful, just hit and run kind of thing, if you will. But rather not trade. Right? So it's dangerous. Anyway, so what's happening right now? This is a USDX monthly chart. You can see if you put this TL connecting this high to this high, we just hit this TL and dropping from the bottom. You can see here from this point and this point, and we hit that and bounced from this TL and went up, and then hitting this TL, and so it's like a bottleneck. We are like confined in a very shallow. It's like I don't know how to explain, but you can see it here. What's happening right now? We need to come out of this, and we will come out of this with, I think, is a big move. Okay, which way? We don't know. This is the 50% of this whole drop, if you can see here, right? And at this point and this time frame, nothing is clear. And if you can see this, from you take the fib from this high to this low, then we only touch. We are above 61%, but we haven't touched the 78%. So we are again between these two levels, jumping around. Let's see what happens. So this one, not very clear, except we touch this TL, bounce, and we touch this TL just now today, and what? Not today. I mean, this monthly TL and drop, right? Now let's go back on a weekly and see what's happening there. Weekly looks like this. This is the one TL that coming from the top on a monthly chart. So see, we touched this last week, and this week we are nicely dropping from this. If you connect these two lows and put the parallel line here, the channel is coming just above it, and it is probably going to be around 78.6% as well. And my bad pattern, I don't have the chart right now, somewhere there, but okay. So this was point B, if you remember my chart. Bad pattern on USDX. This was 50%. It is 50%. Point B, this is 23.6% point C. And I said, well, we need to go hit around here to make point D, but not necessarily went up as high as this. And this could be a D point. God only knows. But technically, by the book, this should be, point D around 88.6%. But we are hitting this TL and dropping right now, but how far are we going to go? Are we going to drop and then break this TL and then go to the downside, which will be the USDX bear weakness? I don't know how this meeting is going to come out. I think it is tomorrow and day after tomorrow, probably around 25th, right? Till 25th, it's going to last. And what kind of decision will be made and how those decisions will be affecting the market, we will see the next week, starting Sunday, Monday. But just wait and see how the reaction will be. But right now, this is how the market is reacting, and this is where we stand. We are hitting this TL and dropping. I am watching this high here. Let me go on daily chart. This is a smaller version even. You connect these two low, put it a parallel, put on this high, So we went up, we touched the channel actually, channel TL, and then dropping, right? This is also the resistance. We have another one here, which we haven't touched it yet. If we go, this will be in the way. If we go up, okay, so this will be the next target. So just keep in mind, and this will be the next if we go up one by one. Okay, but if we keep coming down, then you have this TL first, and then you see, where we go from there. This low will be here, this one and the next one and the next one to the downside. It's just like a staircase. You got another one of this one. But right now we are making slowly higher highs and higher lows. This could be another higher low. Why? Because on a 4-hour chart, you can see that if you connect these two highs and put a parallel here, the channel is coming here exactly where this high is, which is 75.45, I believe, 47. 75.47 is this high, right? And then if you put the fib from here to here, 61.8% is coming 75.45. So these two numbers are very close. 75.47 is this high here. Let me write it down. Okay. I'll do little things here in front of you guys so that you know how I do it, because a lot of people ask me questions, how do you make that circle, how do you make that white band and this and that. So it's easy, it's just little tricks here. All right, so this high here is 75.47. If you pull the fib from the bottom here, this one, and the top here, it is coming 61.8% is coming 75.45. We are a little above it. Now, another thing is a monthly R1 is 75.44. So you got 75.44, 75.45, and 75.47 right here. This is spot. Okay. So it is, whenever that happens, most of the time it becomes like a magnet. So we are bouncing a little bit above, maybe one of these areas are in the way, or maybe daily pivots or something. But I think that probably it will come down one more time, one more push maybe will bring it to the downside to hit these levels, 75.45 and all that. And we may bounce from here and continue making, higher high, or make another high, because another thing is that if you pull this ABC correction, if you take this ABC correction, and this is an expansion tool, you notice that FE 127 comes at 75.43. So now this is a fourth number in the same vicinity, 75.43, 75.44 is this monthly R1. Then you have 75.45 is the 61.8%, and you got 75.47 is this high here. So very interesting, and very good chance that we will come down here, hit this area, maybe 75.42, 40 or something, and then bounce back. How far? Time will tell. But this is sort of not any particular pattern, but even if you see the Girdley pattern, it comes to 61.8%, then it goes back to 23% line, which will be around here, and then it should come down to 78% of this whole fib, all that mumbo jumbo. But at this point, even if it is going to make a Girdley later on, 71.8% area, and this channel hit, and this monthly pivot, and 127 expansion, and 61.8 retracement, and this horizontal support, all of these things should give it a bounce, at least back to this high, like around here. So waiting for that to happen, and if it continue, then it will hit that. I just can't see that it will just break this and drop. Okay, we should get a bounce. Okay, we should. I know I should not be saying that, but this is 90% chance. In my opinion, that's what I'm at least expecting, and I will play a game according to that. If not, then I'll wait till Monday and let this meeting be finished. Okay, but I'm not gonna trust any other thing. I will wait for the price to come down here, and then it start bouncing, and then I'll see if I can get any opportunity tomorrow. If not, then tomorrow is Friday, it's gone. Saturday, and then we will have Sunday and Monday. We'll see what it is. So one more day not trading, that's fine. I'm making some other videos, as you know, that about some mind power, NLP, positive, this and that, all that mumbo jumbo that I learned, and I think if that can benefit to someone, why not? Actually, in that area, I know a lot, and I have my own books written, not printed, published, but written. So I will discuss some of those ideas. Anyway, so this is where we stand as far as the USDX is concerned. You saw the monthly chart is we are confined in between these two trend lines. Weekly chart, we hitting this trend line and dropping, but this high 70s, this one 75.47 is in the way right now, and a small channel is also in the way. Monthly R1 and all that is there. If not, we drop, then you have this channel to face. All right, this is also a channel and a trend line right around here, which will be somewhere there, 75.21 something, a few more pips down. And you never know that maybe this is where 1 or 2 or A, B, and then we go back down for C or something. Okay, so if we're not going up, then we will coming down, and we will break this here, the channel line, and this high here, and then we see if we pull back and then start dropping. So that will be the direction changing, something to the downside, and we will start looking for downside potential. But for now, don't take this drop as the reversal or something, because that happened here, that happened already 2 times here, a couple of days, and then we have after a few days ranging, we just dropped today. Yesterday, yeah, and then let's see what happens. So this is a very tricky situation, and it is bouncing from here. Why? I don't know. What's there? Let me see on a 1-hour chart. Maybe it will clear a little. No, not here. USDX. I had to open another demo account. I messed up the whole charts and everything. Keep messing things up. But for indexes, I find this is the only good broker out there, to where I can track my indexes. So why not? Don't trade these indexes anywhere. Okay, so let's see why are they showing day 24. Not 24. This is one of those little indicator, automatic comes out. Okay, well, nothing there. I thought maybe it's some kind of daily pivot or something like that. But nothing is there. Okay, this is weekly pivot. This is daily. What is it there? Okay, well, not significant. So that's what I'm thinking, that if it's there nothing, that it's bouncing, then it may go up a little bit and then boom, drop to this monthly R1. Okay, probably that's what it's gonna do. Okay, this is like a fake out kind of thing. People think, oh, it's going up again. After dropping, you can see clear 5 waves also. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5 wave down. So it's like A, B, C, 5, 3, 5 kind of thing. Internal structure. If it is what it is, then so just wait and see what happened around this monthly R1 area. Monthly R1 means resistance, R2 So we went as far as the R2 and then dropped back to R1. Monthly pivot is somewhere down here. Okay. All right. So this is it. This is the point to watch. Okay, and then we take it from there. So maybe if it dropped back down here and then stop somewhere here, and then Sunday, Monday start bouncing, then you know what to do. Okay, and at that time I will see all the pairs and everything and analyze them. But obviously, if the the SDX drop here and then start bouncing from here at least to 23% line or something, we will have other pairs, USD pairs coming down. But whatever the case is, I'm going to be waiting for this to come down here. And if not, then I'm not going to touch anything today and tomorrow and wait for Sunday, Monday. If it goes up right from here and then take out this high and then continue going, then I will be targeting this TL here. If you draw a TL here, and then see if we can go long on Euro USD pound, short. See that? Yeah. Okay. If it goes up and then take out this high, this low, and then if we can find our setups on those pairs, knowing that USD has to start getting stronger, then take the opportunity. If not, then, but most chances that what I see is that it's probably going to drop to this area. Okay, 61.8%. Number is 75.45. Remember that. And we take it from there. Okay. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.